Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit video on a CapCut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the CapCut application. In this CapCut application, you will see this edit section directly, and this is the log. Make sure before you edit the video, you are in the edit section. When you are in the edit section, you just need to click the new project. And now you can choose which video that you want to edit to. Or if you don't have any video, you can just go into the stock videos that provided by the CapCut, and you can just looking for what video that you want to add to your project. Okay, now I would like to choose this video. Okay, probably I would like to change it by this one. And after that, you just need to go click add. Now we already have the video on the project. Let's take a look first. Okay, so today's tutorial will be a basic, so I would like to show you the way how to make this video become shorter. If you can see that this duration of the video is 13, so I want to make it shorter. How to make it shorter? You just need to decide which part that you want to display on the screen. For example, you want it start here, so make sure that this straight line is stopped in the correct position of the video that you want to pop up on the screen. And after that, you just need to click edit. When the clip is in active mode, you just need to click split. Since you want to this video start this point, you just need to delete the rest of the point, which is the previous part, by click delete. And now let's decide when it will be stopped. Okay, stop this. So if you want to this video stop in this point, you just need to do the same. Go click edit, make sure the clip is inactive, and then click split. And now since you don't want the rest of the clip is pop up on your screen, you just need to click delete it. And now let's take a look. Right there. So you can also add several effects to make it better. You just need to go click on filters. And now you just need to choose what filters that probably suit with your video on the project. If you want to make it like a little bit dramatic, I think Inception is gonna be good. And after you're done choosing the filters, just click done. And now let's say this is whenever after applying the filters, and this one is the previous one. You can see it's quite better. So after you finish with the editing, you just need to go click this to export. So that's the way how to edit the video in a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.